welcome back to my channel. It's itsifeomajohn and I'm back again today with another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video is a what's on my iPhone XR video. This video is supposed to have come out immediately after the unboxing of my iPhone XR, but I've been doing a lot of things, so I couldn't film the video, and right now I'm able to film the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please don't skip my ads. Please watch my ads and turn on all post notifications in order to get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I've already showed you guys what my phone looks like. This is iPhone XR, the white one, and in that video I showed you guys like the black case that I put on the phone. But recently I got another case, and this is what the case looks like. It's very nice, it's very cute. It's a very cute white and pink case that I wrote love on, and this is what my lock screen looks like, because I'm going to be opening this phone very soon, so you guys won't be able to see the lock screen. So this is what my lock screen looks like. It's very basic, and I got the lock screen off Pinterest. So I'm going to be opening my phone right now, and I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing inside the phone. So I've already opened it, so let's start screen recording. So my home screen, you guys will be able to see my home screen. It has this brown wallpaper too, and then if you swipe to the left, you just see dates, the weather, dates of today, news headlines, and the apps I've used so far, and level switch I've used the apps. And then the next thing you see is, if I swipe to the right, you see my basic apps at the front. You see FaceTime, you see the calendar. You guys already know what the calendar is for. And then mail, have a lot of mails, and you guys will see contacts, your phone contacts, people, your family members, friends. And then photos is like your gallery, everything that's your gallery. And camera, you guys will see me in this video in the camera. That's my mom, yeah. And the weather, you guys already know. These are basic apps that you guys are already aware of. And then reminders, I don't think I've scheduled any reminder for this new phone. Then the clock, alarm that I always switch off, that's the alarm. And then we have maps and Google and notes, few notes that I have there. Just how many do I even have there? How many do I have? I don't TikTok. Okay. And then for subscriber, blah blah blah. And then we have the App Store where you can get your iPhone apps. Then we have home. No, I've not opened here before. And then settings, and then the Apple Watch. I do not have an Apple Watch, so I can't use this. And then the next, if you swipe to the right, the next set of apps I have is, first you have this first widget. We call it a widget, yeah. We have this excuse me. We have this, and then this is like the apps I used to edit, put my pictures, put YouTube videos and my thumbnails. We have this Fonto app that I use for my thumbnails, for the text. And then the next app I have is Velo, where you guys can already see like a video that I already want to like edit that is there. I used to edit my apps. This is the basic app I used to edit. It's very free, but it has like some paid features, but I'm not paying yet for it, but I'm just using the free features. And then I have iMovie that I've also tried to use to edit my videos so far. Then InShot, I also used to edit my videos. Let me just go, okay, no, let's go from here. Then we have PixArt, I used to edit my thumbnail, all my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. That's the app I use for it. Then Eraser, just to erase your background. That's also a basic app for YouTube. And then we also have Canva, which also used to edit videos. Then we also have like Facetune. Canva okay, let me go back to Canva. Canva is used to edit too, but then I don't really use it. That's the app I used to make my YouTube. I've forgotten what they call it. I've forgotten the general name, but that's photo you see. Well, once you open my channel, that's picture up there. That's the app I used to do it. I used Canva to do it, and then we have Facetune, which I used to edit pictures to, but I don't really use it. And then Prequel, an app for editing pictures, videos, has a lot of nice filters. Oh, sorry for shaking the camera, I'm so sorry. And then you can see they're telling me to pay only $6.5. So sorry. Then this picture I edited, but I didn't post it this way. I edited it. And then the next set of editing app I have is Filmora Go for editing YouTube videos. I don't really use it. CapCut, I use it to edit my intro. This studio app, I use it to like do the iPhone thingy on this video, and Clay app is used for editing too. And I don't really use it. Lens body is used for like taking yourself pictures. You can use a tripod. You place a tripod, put your camera, and put on lens body. You can just tap on it and then pose as much as you want, and it takes you pictures randomly. That's a very nice app for taking yourself pictures. And then we have Canva Stories. I don't think I've used this before. And then Final Cut Pro. I'm still trying to learn how to use this app. And then we have FLTR. I think it's an app for editing. I downloaded it because I saw somebody use it before, and I don't know, I've not used it. And then we have Visco. That's how I call it, Visco, for editing pictures to videos for like distorting your face. For iPhone, for distorting your face. If you want to edit a video where you're distorting your face or something, or your voice, you can use Video Shop for editing to Mojo for editing. I don't know, I've not used it. Teza for editing. I was trying to look for video apps for editing like TikToks and other apps. That was the app. And then Facetune and Snapseed for edits. Then if you move to the next video, we have my socials, which is Snapchat. You can see me. Let me turn my, oh my god, I'll turn my face. You can see myself. And then I have Instagram. This is my basic Instagram. What was that? This is my basic Instagram. Oh, Aisha Butterfly posted a new picture. Pictures, I'm gonna follow her. And then don't forget, please follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram page. Please follow me out here to get updated on new videos. Although I'll be posting on my community, please follow me. This is my Instagram page, and this is the recent. Oh my god, this is the recent reel I posted. I don't know how I owned that, but that's the recent reel I posted. And then let's go out of here. We have TikTok. And this is my TikTok page. I just have 686 followers. If you want to follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, and you can see another side of me on TikTok. And then we have my WhatsApp, Twitter. I don't really use Twitter, on Food and Trend Top, where you can get to see trending things on TikTok and follow the trend. Pinterest, where I got my wallpaper from, my lock screen and home screen. And if you open my TikTok, there are a whole lot of things. I search for casual outfit stylish, streetwear fashion, and a whole lot of things. Food is among. I search for food. Yeah, I do that. Yummy. So I have my YouTube. This is my YouTube. You guys already know my YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. And then TubeBuddy, I use it to check my YouTube analytics. And then utilities, which have voice memos, compass, measure, calculator. I don't usually use those things. Healthcare and fitness, workout app stats. I tend to skip workouts every day. I don't want to exercise. I'm too lazy to do that. And then we have school apps, Classroom, Google Classroom, Edmodo, Camp Scanner, Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Word, Dictionary, Documents, Teams, my school apps I use for school. And then we have this Bible app, this motivation my daily motivations. I just go here to get motivation every day. And then cutting people out of your life doesn't mean you hate them. It simply means you respect yourself. Not everyone is meant to stay. Save. I've saved it. I keep saying this every day. This caption is for me. And I have my bank, and then music, SoundCloud where I get my YouTube music, but it's not that safe. And then Audio Mac and Spotify, and then entertainment, Netflix that I'm not even paying for, Candy Crush, Jigsaw puzzles, Niger words, and blah blah blah. And then files, find my shortcuts, iTunes, Viki shop. I tend to have apps for shops, but I don't shop. I just want to see things, the prices, and know like how. If I want to buy something, I like to know how much it costs before I buy it. So I'll check on these shopping apps and get like the price. And then we have stocks. I don't use wallets. I don't use app TV, tips, podcasts. I use this podcast. I listen to Left on Red. Lisa Ono has podcast with her best friend. I will listen to them, and then translate books I can read. I have a book there that I'm reading. I'm reading one book there, and then MTN, my line, and then Widget Smiths and Flow. You know what Flow is for? It's a very good app. And yeah, that's basically what my phone looks like and what's in my phone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My phone is not that, like, let me say, very very much aesthetic, where all the widgets are very like have a particular color, a theme color or something, but I like this way. It's like nice to me this way. I like it like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what's on my iPhone video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.